Hello student, I am Dilip Gupta, your chemistry teacher. Today's we are going to be continues. Our chapter is some basic concept of chemistry, lecture 6. We are discussing about the rounding of number. This is the major problem for most of the students. How can we calculate? So we are going to be discuss about this in an easy way. Okay. So rounding of numbers. Let us see. Number 1 point. If the first digit to be discarded is less than 5. Okay. If the first digit is discarded is less than 5, the digit to the left of it remains unchanged. What do you mean? There are some numbers. Okay. 6.74835. Okay. So if we take the rounding off to two significant figure, we are talking about the only two significant figure. Okay. There are two significant digits. The first digit to be discarded. Okay. So if we are talking the two numbers after the decimal, that is the 1 and 2. Okay. These two numbers in which last number is 4, which are less than 5. So we are going to be rounding off only two digit uh, right to the decimal point. So 4 is the less than 5. So what will be the conditions for it? So if the 5 numbers less than this number is 4. Okay. Now 4 less than 5, so the preceding digit 7 is left. 7 will be left as it is. Okay. You are knowing that what am I saying? I am saying that if we are taking only rounding off up to 2 digit, that is the 6.74. Okay. And 4 is the less than 5 number, so its preceding will remains left, that is 7 will be remains left. Then the 6.7 will be answer. Okay. Now taken the another example, so you will easily understand what am I saying. If the second number is if the first digit greater than 5, then the digit preceding is increased by 1. Okay. Example, same example, 6.74835. If in this case rounding off taken to be three numbers, that is the to be rounded off the three significant digits, 1 2 3, then 8 is the more than 5, so just preceding will increased by one number, that is 4 will increase to 5, one number, that is 5. So the first digit to be discarded, because 8 is greater than 5, so its preceding number 4 will increase by 1. This will be get to 5. So 6.75 will be the main number after calculating. Okay. Okay. Now another is third number is if the digit to be discarded is 5, which is the last digit or is followed by the 0, then the preceding digit is increased by 1. If it is an odd number and left unchanged, if even 0 will be considered even for this purpose. What is means? It means if the last digit is equals to 5, not less than 5 nor greater than 5, it is exact equals to 5, then there will be two condition. If just before the 5 will be odd number, or just before the 5 is even number. Odd number increase by 1 for preceding, and for even you will left as it is. Okay. For example, 6.74835, 3 is odd number, so it will be increased by 1, so 6.7484, because it is exact to 5, last digit equal to 5. Okay. Okay. Now if another example, 6.7250, if last digit is 5 and just before it even number, so it will be left as it is. So answer will be 6.72. Okay. And 3.05, you know that 0 will be left as it is. So 5, exact 5, just preceding is 0, 0 will be treated as even number, so it will be left as it is, treated as even number, so left it is. So 3.0, it in which there will be two significant figure, 6.72, three significant figure, 1 2 3 4 5, five significant figure. Okay. Now addition and subtraction, it is a very easy topic, and you will easily calculate the addition and subtraction by easy way. In this case, the number of significant digit in the result is decided by the value that has the smaller or smallest number of digit to the right of the decimal point. Okay, listen. First of all, sum of the 735.237. You will add these two numbers. After adding, you will choose which will be the smallest number. This will be the smallest number. So rounding off, you will take by smallest number according to smallest number. Okay, so the answer will be 792.037. Smallest number is 123, so you will take the 123, only 3 point. Okay, you will not consider the much more. Okay, the second value has one digit to the right of the decimal point, because 0.8 after the decimal only one number, one digit, so after the decimal only one digit you will take. This is the simple way. Okay, so another example is 816.625 63.26. Okay, this is the case of the subtraction. After subtraction you will get the 753.365, in which in both the both the numbers 63.26 is the less number, so according to lesser number, smallest number, you will goes to the rounding off. So after the decimal there are two numbers, so 753.36, only two digit will be taken out. Okay, it's a very simple and easy way. Now we are going to be multiplication and division. How can we multiply and division questions? So it is also very important and very easy. In multiplication division, the answer should be rounded off to the same number significant figure as there are in the quantity that has the smallest number of significant figure. As previous you have already seen that the smallest number will be decided the significant figure. So after multiply or division, the answer will be decided by the smallest number. Calculate the average speed of the ball that covers a distance of 9.856 meter in 5.4 seconds. So you know that the average speed is equal to distance by time. Distance 9.856 divided by 5.4 second. After calculating 1.8251852 meter per second, and the smallest number is the not distance, only time, because 5.4 is the smallest number. So after decimal one digit you will take. So after decimal one digit you will take, the answer will get the 1.8 meter per second. Okay, because it is having the 4 significant, it is having the 2 significant figure, and decimal after the decimal only one digit, so answer will be only one digit. This was very important and easy. I think you have learned it. Okay, thank you.